Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to install Python and run your first Hello World program in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first of all, open the Chrome browser and search Python. Just enter, and on the first link you have the first link will be appear here, which is the official page of Python. So you can see welcome to python.org. Just click on it. Now you have to you have to click on this, or you have to hover your mouse cursor on downloads and click on python 3.11.1. This is which is the latest version. So it will also mention that python 3.9 plus cannot be used on windows 7 or earlier. So we cannot use Python 3.9 plus Windows 7 or Windows XP or the earlier ones version of Windows. Just click on this Python to install. Now, once it is download, just open it to install it. So now click on, or you have to check this option, add python.exe to path. It will add your execution file to the path, so you don't have to do it manually. We used to do before, but now it comes with the installation file. It helps you to add your python executable file to the path, and it will save your time definitely. So now just click on install, allow the permission. Now it will install all the necessary and standard libraries which actually required for running your Python program. So it will take around 2 to 5 minutes. And so once it is installed, just close the installation window and now open the CMD to verify if the Python is installed or not. Just type Python and version. So this is not the correct, so let me put one more hyphen. So you can see it is printing python 3.1 11.1, which is the latest version we have installed recently. Now if you type python only, it will take you to the python environment. So if we print hello world here, hello world, or enter, sorry, I just forget to add. Yeah, let me do it again. Yeah, so you can see this is our hello world. So now let's run first python program. So how can we do that? We can open any text editor, or we can use Visual Studio. So if you want to know the integration or how to use or how to add Python in uh, Visual Studio, I've already made the video. You can go and watch out. The link is given in the description. So first of all, let me save this file as Python. So I will save it on desktop, so it will make it easy task for me to run this code on CMD command prompt. So first of all, let me name it first dot python. Fine, let me name it, and now I'm going to run my first Python program. So actually the Python is very straightforward language. You don't have to write more syntax. It is one of the language that has very less syntax, and I just messed up because I created a file, Python file with dot Python instead of py. So yeah, I just messed up. So I have to resave it again. First dot py. So Python basically file uh, saved as the saved with the dot py extension. So now it will save. So now this is our first program. So let me add some comment here. Welcome to the Python tutorial. And now let me print my first statement. Just you have to write print and add the statement in the double quotes or single quotes. So hello world, and add it. You don't have to write any main functions like we do in Java programming language or C++, C languages. It is very one of the straightforward and easy language to learn because it has very less syntax. You don't have to use semicolon after any statement or any line of code. So just save it, and we are going to run this program run this file. So first of all, open the CMD. Let me exit of this Python environment. Now let me go to the desktop. Now just type Python and the file name, which is first.py. If I enter, and you can see this is my output of this file. So if I print another statement here, so I'm gonna write like welcome to the Python tutorial. Fine. And let me again run this file, and you can see the another output is welcome to the Python tutorial. So yeah, that's how you can install the Python on your Windows, any Windows, and run your first hello world program, and which without Visual Studio. So you don't have to use Visual Studio in with Python, but in Visual Studio. But what makes Visual Studio different, because it gives you more suggestion than any editor. Or we can use PyCharm as well for the Python. So yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.